So I recently discovered Blooket, and I'm going to tell you just a little bit about it. Once you log into the website, if you want to play a game, the best way to do it, I would suggest if you use Quizlet, is to create a Blooket with a Quizlet set. I have a video on that. I'll put a link to it in the description here. But what you can do with this website is play various games with a set of flashcards or question and answers. Let's take a quick look at the types of games that you can play. So on this mode right here, the cafe, what you have to do is feed your customers. You start off with just one plate and you earn food by answering questions correctly. And then as you play along and you earn money, you can get more plates and more types of foods and more customers. And then they purchase your food. And the more types of food you have and the more customers you feed, the more money you get. And that's how you win that game. In the factory, it's kind of reminds me a little bit of Gimkit. What happens is you answer questions, you earn money, you purchase characters who earn you money by the second or by every 3 seconds or 5 seconds. And as you answer more questions correctly, you collect more cards up to 10. And then once you reach 10 cards, you start getting more powerful cards and you earn more and more money. And you can upgrade your cards and earn more money with more questions. And the fun part about this game, when you play it as a class, is you can have what are called glitches. And it's kind of a way to mess up the other people that you're playing with. They're really fun. You just have to try it out so you can see what they're like. The Battle Royale is a slower paced version where it puts the students in the class into teams and everybody gets the same question. And the team that answers on average the fastest wins. And the last team standing wins. In the race mode, it's also a fast-paced game where you answer questions quickly. And the faster you answer them, the quicker you get to the end. You can set up how many questions there are in the mode. There are also power-ups and ways to slow down your opponents in it. This one's also a favorite of my students. The Tower of Doom is a solo mode where you can work your way through 3 different maps and you fight against the computer with the cards that you collect that have different powers. It's another way to practice vocabulary. It moves a little bit faster than the Battle Royale, and it definitely moves faster than Classic, which is a lot like Kahoot. So if you're looking for something quick, like Quizlet Live or like Gimkit, I would suggest playing Cafe, Factory, or Racing. If you want to move a little bit slower, do the Battle Royale, Classic, or Tower of Doom. Currently, my students' favorite by far is Factory, followed closely by Racing, and then maybe the Cafe. Let's go back to the main screen here. I have the free account. I don't have the paid version. And so far, I've made a bunch of different Blookets, and it looks like I can make as many as I want. I just import my Quizlet sets, and I play my games with those. You can assign homework. Also, there will be a link in the description of this video with how to assign homework. You can mark sets of favorites, and you can even discover sets created by their teachers as well. So if maybe I'm a French teacher and I want to find some French numbers, we can look around and see if someone's already made a set, and they have. So maybe you can find something already made, which would make it even easier for you. You can have over here some more organization. If you do homework, you'll be able to track your students and how well they're doing on the homework activities. This is a really fun game my students enjoy. I highly suggest you check it out because I think that they will like it quite a bit. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys next time.